Step 1. Restart everything. The first thing you should try is restarting everything involved in your setup. Start by fully closing the Disney Plus app on your device. Next, restart your device, whether it's a phone, tablet, or smart TV, by powering it off and then turning it back on. It's also a good idea to restart your internet router and modem. Just turn them off, wait a couple of minutes, and then power them back on. This can resolve a surprising number of connectivity-related issues. Step 2. Check for updates. Sometimes login problems can be caused by outdated software. Make sure you're running the latest version of the Disney Plus app by visiting your device's app store and checking for updates. Also, check for system updates on your device itself, whether you're using Android, iOS, or a smart TV. Keeping your software up to date ensures compatibility and better performance. Step 3. Clear app data and cache. For Android users, go into your device's settings, find the Disney Plus app, and clear its cache and data. This often resolves glitches that prevent the app from functioning properly. If you're using an iOS device, there's no direct way to clear cache, so the best option is to uninstall the Disney Plus app and then reinstall it from the App Store. Step 4. Verify subscription and login credentials. Another common issue could be your subscription status. Log in to the Disney Plus website or check your account settings on your device to confirm that your subscription is still active. Also, make sure you're using the correct email and password. If you've forgotten your login details, you can easily reset your password using the Forgot Password link on the login page. Step 5. Consider other potential issues. There are a few additional factors that could be causing login issues. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa to test a connection. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, disable it, as these can interfere with Disney Plus login authentication. Lastly, if you're logged into Disney Plus on multiple devices, try logging out of all of them and then logging back in on just the one device you're currently using.